This week marks the holy period of Navratri and soon we will welcome Diwali. This is an auspicious time when most Indians want to appease Goddess Lakshmi and purchase property. This year, however, since a lot has been said about the slowdown in real estate, are home buyers willing to invest in property during the festive period? And to what extent are developers willing to woo the home buyer? Let's take a look. The big test for property market starts now. Navratri is here and soon will be Diwali, and developers are lining up various kinds of offers and free gifts to charm home buyers. The recent cut in repo rate by the Reserve Bank of India has of course set the right backdrop for developers to reignite consumer interest in real estate. The most popular gambit this festive season are EMI subvention offers, mind-boggling schemes, 10-80-10, 5-95, 30-70, 20-80. Noida players like Paras Buildtech, Prateek Group, JM Housing, Saya Homes and Chandigarh-based Sushma Buildtech are offering these catchy payment plans with no EMI till possession. Another Noida player, Ajnara, is offering a 777 scheme. You pay 7% on booking, get a 7% discount and unit will be offered in 7 months. Some like Supertech have gone superstitious. For 9 days of the Navratri, 9 EMIs go free. Prateek Group is attempting something new, exempting stamp duty, club membership and power backup charges from customers. Gorsons is sticking to the popular cash discounts of up to 10 lakh rupees. Those with ready-to-move-in discounts like Gulshan Homes, SVP Group, Mahagun, Shri Group are offering modular kitchens, free appliances and air conditioners. Wave City is offering add-on goodies like gift vouchers worth 1 lakh rupees. And others like Fairwealth Group, Aditya World City are offering lucky draws with chances to win foreign trips and sedans. Even an FDI-funded developer like Sare Homes is offering 5 kilos of gold across all its projects.
We don't think any freebies work on their own. So like I said, the key decision behind going out with a scheme was to ride on the rate cut from RBI and basically give a trigger and an immediate push for guys who were sitting on the fence to come and use this opportunity to get their best deal.
But is the promise of a free gift or special scheme enough to influence the home buyer's decision this Navratri? What is the home buyer really looking for?
अगर ये प्रॉपर रेट अगर एलिजिबल मिलते हैं, प्रॉपर रेट मिलते हैं तो हम बिल्कुल कोशिश करेंगे और फायदा उठाएंगे कि बैंक रेट डाउन हुए.
कुछ सुना है ये लोग डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं तो मैं उसी का डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. अगर डिस्काउंट ठीक मिलेगा, रीजनेबल मिलेगा तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा इसको फाइनल करूंगा.
Whether it's Diwali or a non-festival season, doesn't matter to us. What matter to us is that what kind of discount they are giving, what kind of investment schemes are possible, and in what kind of bandwidth amount we are having in our hand.
So discounts and nothing else will do for buyers this Diwali. Are developers listening?
Margins are hardly there because the cost of sellings have gone up so much. And coupled with the kind of schemes like subvention and other things which are being offered, there is no room for any margin on a per square feet basis. For people like us where we take land as a replacement value, because for us land is a raw material. So we take it as a replacement value, there is hardly any margin left now. I think we are sitting at the lowest point on a per square feet basis. Yes, like I said earlier, in terms of ticket prices, we can definitely do with smaller units.
Developers rejecting any scope of discounts and banks yet to pass on the entire benefit of the RBI rate cut to home loan borrowers. At the new rates, home buyers with long tenure loans will at best get just ₹1,000 reduction in their monthly installments.
Buyer essentially is looking for two things. One is he wants to know to what level the prices will genuinely go down. The buyer wants a huge correction, in fact a radical correction. The second is that will this slide down further? So who's going to be ebbing that downslide? So if there is a way of reversing the downslide, then the buyer would be interested. What a person doesn't want to do is make an investment and realize that it's going to go down further. That means he's depleting.
Trust, transparency and delivery. Above all of that, the home buyer desires affordability from his developer this Diwali. And until the buyer finds reasonable pricing on the right-sized home, he is willing to wait it out on his developer. With camera person Manjunath and AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.